Okay, everybody, welcome to another edition of Kyree's World. What do we have here to play with today? What is this?
Thomas.
Ah, Thomas. Pick it up so I can see it. Let me see. Let's see what that is. Okay, Thomas train. That's nice. Okay, cool. You gonna open it?
Open it.
Yeah, can you do it? Show me the muscles. Open it up. All right. Almost. You can do it. You gotta open the side. Good job. You almost got it. There you go. There you go. I told you. Take it out. Good job. Oh, let me see. Hold it up so I can see it. Okay. What color is that?
Yellow.
What else?
Green.
Uh-huh.
Yellow. Red.
Right. Good job. So does it need batteries? Let's see. Turn it upside down.
It's bad.
Let me see the batteries. Where the batteries go? Okay. Let's get some batteries for it then. Okay. Now you got the batteries in there. Let's see how it works.
Wow.
Okay, cool. Look at the choo-choo train go.
It's faster.
Whoa, it's going fast. Pick it up, Kyree. Go get it. Let's take it over here with his friends. Let's go over here by his friends. What do we have here? A choo-choo track. Wow. Uh-oh, what happened? Okay, you had to stop the track. You have 2 Thomas trains. Wow. 3 Thomas trains. Oh, he fell off the track. What else you got?
Uh-oh.
Wow, 4 Thomas trains. Can you get another one on there? Good job! Uh-oh, it fell off. You gotta put them back on. Wow, 5 Thomas trains. Yeah.
Oh, no.
Yeah. Oh, train wreck. Oh, no, train wreck. Thomas is down. Oh, no, Kyree. You helped him out. You gonna help him out? Take the back piece off of that one. Take it off. There you go. Take it apart. There you go. Now put it on. Now put Thomas on. There he goes. All right. Good job. One more. One more. Cool. He's going fast, right? He's going too fast for the other train. You got it. You can do it. You can do it, Kyree. Going the wrong way. Oh no. Collision course. Nice job. Good job. Nice job. Uh-oh. Almost. Put him on there. Can you do it? Can Kyree do it? 1, 2, 3 trains. 4 trains. One more. Can he do it? Can Kyree do it? 5 trains. Yeah. 5 trains. High five. Yes. Good job. Oh no. One fell off. Awesome though, Kyree. You did a good job. Count the trains, Kyree. How many trains? Count them.
1.
Huh? You gonna count them? Count the trains, Kyree. How many you got?
1,
Uh-huh.
2, 3.
More than that. Count again. How many? Oh, you almost got it. You almost there. You got it. You got it. The yellow one's going fast, huh? Put them on there. Go. How many trains? Count them. How many? How many you got, buddy?
1,
Yeah.
2, 3, 4.
One more. How many? 5. 5 trains. Yes.
1, 2,
3, 4, 5. It's 5.
5 trains.
Yeah, see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes.
4 trains.
Good job, buddy.
Wait.
Uh-oh. Oh, you did good, man. You got 2. You got 2 of them on there, huh? You might need to get a bigger track. Oh. I like your train track, Kyree. Maybe we should invite people to play with your train track. Yes, that's what we'll do. Invite some of your cousins, some of your friends over, okay? Ah, that is a cool track. It's going around and around, look. Choo-choo.
Uh-oh.
Choo-choo. Good job. What about the red thing with the claw on it, Kyree? What is that? Huh? What is that right there? What is that? Huh? Hey, what you drop something in for a load with that? Huh? That's a crane? What is that? Yeah. All right.
Oh no! Push it.
Yes.
Push it.
Good job, man. Oh, another wreck. Cool. Make sure you subscribe and hit that subscribe button so you can come play with Kyree too. We'll see you tomorrow in Kyree's world. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Kyree.
Bye.